Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which offers you $100 free credits whenever you create an account right here inside u.com. It has all the premium AI models such as Claude, Opus, Gemini, Qwen. So this is the landing page. Once you go to u.com, so simply you need to sign in right here. Try the APIs for completely free. So you have the option to continue with your Google account. So once you sign up, you will get $100 of free credits to actually try out the platform. So you will see that now once you sign up for completely free, we got this $100 available credits. So it's virtually unlimited access is granted whenever you sign up. You can even buy additional credits as well once they are over, but $100 is more than enough. You need to complete a profile for this. So simply add the email address, just so they will actually send this 6-digit code to their email address. Simply need to verify this. So after that, simply carry on to the platform right here. So the thing about this website, it just gives you this $100 of credits. So right here, you have this. You can build a agent. You can see that you can create a API key right here. So click on create API key, simply give it a name and click on create. Your API key will be created. So simply copy this API key to clipboard. So you can go to the docs section right here. So a complete example is given how to actually call these APIs. So this crawl request is also there, call request. So how you will call this API? So directly you will add this URL right here and simply call the API. So it's a very insane platform. So you can even build a API agent as well. So you will see that Anthropic MCP. So complete example is given to you. So they also offer a Python SDK as well. First of all, get your API key, and then this is the example which are given to you. So I can simply show to you. So right here you simply paste your API key, and you can simply make a request to the AI model to simply perform a search and then access the results. So very simple. You get almost $100 of free credits once you validate your work email. So it's very easy. So complete documentation is given right here. You can simply see. So step-by-step documentation is given right here. You can check out this. And the main thing is that you will get $100 of free credits once you sign up with a free account. That's the thing about this website, and it's really good. Definitely check this out. We also have the API playground section as well. You can directly call any kind of API right here. Simply type the search. So you will see the response will come right here. This will be a JSON response right here. It will consume some credits that you got. So we are making this request to search the internet. So right here you provide your API key, and very simple. So you can simply say, so we simply return the search query. So you can just see right here. It actually uses the AI models to get this result. Search the entire internet, all the premium AI models. It is actually using it and returning the result right here. So definitely check this out. It has a variety of APIs. It has a search API, content API, research, finance research API as well. So different APIs are there. You can try this API each inside the playground section. So each is completely free to try, and also very easy for you to integrate that as well. So from here you will create the API key. All your analytics will directly show right here how much request you are making.